Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's 2020 and I recently came back from my holiday and it got me thinking about airports, airplanes and air people. Yeah. And there's some weird stuff on an airplane. Or just like the concept of travel, irrespective of holidays, is occult. It's strange, we do it really weirdly, and I have questions. I guess here's a list of things I have questions, statements, comments, opinions about. If you have answers, please, I need them. I need answers. And so it's time for say something. So we'll start with air people. First and foremost, because while we're all sitting waiting for our flight, these cool people walk by and they have the swag, they're wearing the uniform, they're pulling luggage that's probably empty, but they're like, yeah, I look so cool. We call those pilots and crew. So I always wonder, why the pilot, he looks mad smug. He's like, I've got your life in my hand. And I'm just like, oh. And then the crew are like, oh, we get to board before you. We're so cool. And in my mind, I'm like, that's not that cool. Now, if it was my job, it would be cool. But to me now, you're just boarding a plane before me. I don't get it. And then people. Oh, I know I'm a people, man. I know I'm a people. I know it. But wow, my ninjas, we need to do better here. We must stop it. So, there's this weird aura that people get, that they're like, no, I must get on the plane, I can't miss my flight. And in my head, I'm like, I think we all need to get on a plane. That's why we're at an airport. That's why we're here now. So I don't know where this entitlement it manifests from, because we all need to catch a flight, ninja. We all need to catch a flight. Fine. It's not fair. It's not my fault you were late. Why are you late? Don't make it my problem. Don't make your irresponsibility my problem. Yeah. Sharp. Now if you're transit, I get it. But then if we are all transiting, let's all delay the plane together. Just once. All of us, conglomerate, they can't leave 20 people. Will they leave 20 people? No, I don't think they'll leave 20 people. At least if it's not like a bad misconnection or whatever. So get rid of your entitlement and just be with all of us. The next time, we rush to board. We rush like somebody's going to take our seat. Last I checked, that's not really. It's not how the aeroplane works. That little thing. It's either a paper. It's either this small or this big, or on your cell phone. It's called a boarding pass. On this boarding pass, it has your seat number, it has your boarding gate, and a bunch of other information. Ain't nobody gonna take your seat. You need to just relax. Everybody's just in the queue. I need to get on the plane fast. I need to be fast. What is on this plane that's there first? Because if you didn't book a nice seat, the seat is the same. It's not gonna change. It's not like a bus. And then also, half the time you're rushing to sit on a bus. You're rushing to sit on a bus that's going to wait for 30 to 40 passengers. Load them in the bus, then we all drive stop at the plane, at the foot of the plane, and then you board, all 40 of you. You've lost your edge. The edge is not there. So, ne? So now we're all on the plane, ne? We've boarded, we're in the seats we were assigned, nobody took your seat, sharp. Then, you see these ninjas with mad hand luggage, like, it's bigger than normal checked-in luggage. It's bigger. And I'm just like, really? Did you think that was gonna work? Really? Like, look, okay, this is not me preaching to no choir or nothing. I don't know how to travel light. Traveling light is not my portion. Never has been, never will be. Ne? Sharp. But like, with my hand luggage, at least the size is correct. The weight is usually all the way off. Like, all the way off. Like the scale just trembles in its wake. Ne? But the size is correct. Now, if you bring it this big, this heavy, what did you think was gonna happen? You don't think the crew's gonna be like, question mark? But I guess you get away with not paying it. So in theory, it's smart, and I get your plan. But like, sure, it's a whole delay thing. Just be smarter, do better. I don't know. Fine. So we take off. Great. Flight's good. Now we're landing. We land good. Everybody to the door. Last I checked, it's one door, guys. One door. Sometimes there's two, depending on the weather. But then you all stand up to rush to the doors. The doors are not open. The doors will not be open for another 5 to 10 minutes. But you're all like, and then a good chunk of the time you're rushing to the door to sit in the bus, or you're rushing to the door to wait at the carousel. Why the rush? Look, okay, now if you're hand luggaging, you ain't got nothing, and you're trying to make a meeting, and you poorly planned your trip, that's on you. But for those of us who don't travel lightly, we have luggage after luggage, door after door, hand luggage after hand luggage. Why? What's the rush? What's at the door that you just like being there at the door? What's there? Please, I'm so curious at what's at this door. I really want to know. Because maybe if I knew what was at the door, then I'll rush to this door. Maybe. Speaking of carousel, now you ninjas get real weird. You're like hovering over the carousel. First of all, it's not moving. Because why? You rush to the door, to rush to the bus, to rush to the carousel, to wait. Anyway, you're hovering. There's nothing. And then, like, nobody can come near to even get their luggage. Half the time, their luggage comes before you, who was waiting at the door. And you just, I want my luggage. It's all going to come. Obviously, it was certain airlines. So, but in general, your luggage will come. Why? Why must you be during the carousel? What does it do? I want to know. I'm very curious. Here, I'm very curious because, wow, I'm too passionate about this thing. Other things that I feel like we needed to address, but I'll just say them and I won't say anything more. I'll leave it in your hands. Hawaiian t-shirts. This one is more for the dads. Please, give us a chance. Please. And then, like, for the youth, t-shirts with the country's name on it or the city's name. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to hear your on aeroplanes, airports, and AirPeople, because wow, maybe I'm not the only one, and I'd love to hear from you. Have a good one. Bye.